Welcome to Interior Design's YouTube channel. Creating a modern study room is all about designing a space that's only functional, not but also inspiring. Here are some contemporary study room decoration ideas. Minimalist design. Modern study rooms offer embrace minimalism, keep the room clutter-free with sleek furniture and clean lines. Opted for a minimalist desk and shelves to maintain an uncultured workspace. Neutral color palette. Neutral colors like white, grays, and soft pastels are common in modern study rooms. These tones create a calm and focused atmosphere. You can add a pops of the color through accessories or artwork for a touch of personality. Ergonomic furniture. Invest in ergonomic furniture such as adjustable chair and a spacious desk. Comfort is essential for productivity, so choose furniture that supports good posture and comfort during long study sessions. Built-in storage. Modern study rooms offer incorporate built-in storage solutions, floating shelves, wall-mounted cabinets, or built-in bookcases. Not only save but also add a sleek, organized look to the room. Technology integration. Today's study room space need to accommodate technology seamlessly. Ensure there are enough outlets for laptops, chargers, and other devices. Consider cable management solution to keep wires tidy. Natural light. Maximize natural light with large windows or strategically placed desk positioning. Natural light not only reduce eye strain but also enhance the overall ambience of the room. Task lighting. Complement natural light with task lighting. Sleek desk lamps or pendant light can provide focused illumination or reading and studying. Inspiring art and decor. Incorporate art, motivational quotes, or wall decals that inspire creativity and focus. Personalize the space with artwork or decorations that resonate with your interests and goals. Multifunctional furniture. If your study room is limited in space, consider multifunctional furniture like a fold out wall desk or a daybed that can double as a reading nook. Greenery. Bringing in some indoor plants or succulents to add a touch of nature to your study room. Plants not only purify the air but also create a refreshing and calming atmosphere. Smart home features. Consider adding smart home features like a voice control assistant or smart lighting for inconvenience and efficiency. In conclusion, modern study room decoration is all about creating a space that fosters productivity, focus, and inspiration. By combining clean designs, elegant, ergonomic furniture, and a thoughtful layout, you can craft a contemporary study room that suits your needs and style while enhancing your study and work experience. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.